What's going on, homeowners and tech fans alike? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best wireless routers for home in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these routers, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first home router that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Netgear Nighthawk AC2300. Coming up next in our number 4 spot, we've got the TP-Link Archer AX8. Next up at our number 3 spot, we've got the TP-Link AC1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. Coming up next at number 2, we've got the ASUS ROG Rapture GT AX11000. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Netgear Nighthawk AX8. Alright, homeowners, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which home router you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.